Welcome to Power and Safety Hub, where power engineering meets safety excellence. Are you a professional engineer, technician, student, or safety enthusiast looking to master electrical power systems and workplace safety? You're in the right place. Here at Power and Safety Hub, we deliver expert-level tutorials, real-world safety insights, and practical engineering knowledge that you can use on the job, on site, or in your career. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Power and Safety Hub is made for electrical engineers, field technicians, safety professionals, students and apprentices, anyone who wants to understand electrical systems better, safely, clearly, and professionally. On this channel, we cover real topics that matter: power system fundamentals, electrical safety best practices, protection systems and equipment, renewable energy insights, field troubleshooting tips, industry standards. You can trust electricity powers the world. But it can also be dangerous if not handled with the right knowledge. Electrical hazards can cause shocks, fires, equipment damage, and even fatalities. That's why safety isn't optional. It's essential here. That's what you will get from our videos. Technical breakdowns that are easy to follow, step-by-step demonstrations. Real-world engineering scenarios, tools, tips, and standards you can apply today. So if you're ready to elevate your electrical knowledge and master safety at the same time, make sure you subscribe and let's grow together here on Power and Safety Hub. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.